Okay, the other day I was driving my S4 and I'm starting to drive, about 20 miles an hour, and I hear this rumbling noise. It's the weirdest thing ever. And it was early in the morning. I figured, maybe my stomach's hungry because I didn't have breakfast. I didn't have enough breakfast. I typically drink coffee in the morning. My tummy's rumbling, and so I turned around. I went back home and I made some eggs and some slab bacon, stuff like that, and got me a nice breakfast, nice meal, and I got in the car again and started to drive over to the office and my appointments for the day, and the rumbling noise was still there. It started at 20 miles an hour and it progressively got worse. It's the weirdest thing ever. I'm like, oh, it certainly isn't my tummy. And then I realized I drive a 2001 Audi S4, and wheel bearings decay on these things like every 3,000 miles, especially if you're going 70 miles an hour on the expressway. That's what happens. So anyhow, I called up Steve's Automotive and I said, guys, I need you to get me in. They're like, hey, we're so good, we're booked, week out. I said, I'll take it because I'm tired of my tummy rumbling. So now I'm eating good breakfast and I'm getting my car fixed at Steve's. Thanks, guys.